How to build an online business, especially in 2025. This is an interesting video, and do well to watch to the end, because I will be taking you the step-by-step process you need to start building your online business from scratch and start making your money. Okay, to start with, we all know that the online space right now, people are leveraging on the online space to build their life, to build their dream career, to build their destiny, and to build whatsoever they want their life to become. So you should also be leveraging on the online space. Do not say this thing is not for me, my dear. It is for you. You just know how to learn how it works and key to it. Okay, so how do you start? To start with, you must first check what are the businesses that you love. Yes, let's start with yourself. What are the businesses that you love? Write it down, that this is what you love. It can be offline businesses that you can bring into the online world, or that you don't have any business right now but you want to start online business, either service-based business or digital business or offline business that you can bring to the online. You just need to check yourself. What are you good at? Because if you don't know yourself, you won't know the business you want to bring in to the online space. Check yourself. What are you good at? What do you hold in high esteem? What are your values? Check yourself, after which you must have highlighted all that you are good at, your values, your unique value proposition, your selling proposition, and all this. You must list it down. Then begin to write the list of business that interests you, that you like to do. You can decide to choose that you don't want to sell any physical products. Yours is you want to sell your knowledge. You are knowledgeable in some things. In marriage counseling, you are knowledgeable in certain things. You are just knowledgeable. You have gained some mastery in something, some expertise. You are a professional in certain field. You want to bring it to the online space and start monetizing these skills, or monetizing these ideas, or monetizing this experience that you must have gathered. After which you have highlighted those things that you are good at, you need to also check the market. Does the market need this thing that you want to monetize? If you are going for service-based business, or if you are going for physical business, does the online platform need it? The truth is that there is nothing you cannot sell in the online space. You can sell anything sellable. Yes, there is not. Is it egg? You can sell. Is it crayfish? You can sell. Is it meat? You can sell. Is it food items? You can sell. Is it material things you want to sell, like your clothing, your wares? You can sell it in the online space. Just decide that this is what I want to do, because the decision must come from you. It is you that is taking that step right now. It must come from you. After which you must have decided on that. Check the market, just as I said. Check, does the market need this thing? Okay, what you are going for, the market should need it, please, because it is the market that will buy it. If you like it and the market don't need this offer or this thing you want to go for, you won't sell. Let the market be interested in this thing you want to go for. Let the market be eager to have it, because it is when they are eager to have it, that is when you will sell. Like shoes, people want to buy shoes, they cannot go barefooted. Like clothes, people always want to wear clothes. Like relationship, people want to have good relationship, good marriages. Like money, people want to make money. They don't want to live in poverty or in idleness. They want money for themselves. Like having a good health, people want to have a healthy lifestyle. So these are the three best niches you should be building your brand on. Okay, that the market really needs. After that, looking at the niche, the next thing, which is number 2, is to check out the audience that need these services you want to be going for. After you must have written it down, you have also aligned it that the market need this thing you are going for. Choose just one out of your many skills, your many ideas, everything. Choose just one, because the rich do not start with multiple things at the same time. They start building on just one. You too should start building on just one for a start. After which you have built on that one, the money is coming, you have gathered enough audience, enough customers, enough clients, you can diversify to other. But for a start with one. Okay, then number 2, check the audience that need these services or these products you want to sell. Who are those that need it? Because you must know your audience. You must know those that need your services. I can't be selling clothes now. Let's say I'm selling just female clothes. The audience, I'm saying my audience are children. Or I can't be selling eyeglasses, and I will say my audience are those without eye effects. My audience are those with eye effects. If I'm selling sunglasses or eyeglasses, if I'm selling my audiences are females. My audience cannot be male or children. That is, my audiences are those that need these services that I said, they are your audience. So check out who your audience is. I can't be a barber and I will say my audiences are females. No, they might be female but very rare. My majority of my audiences are men and boys or little children. That's, yes, but the majority are men. Those are my audience. So know your audience, those that need your services. Get to know them. After you must have know the services you want to offer, you know your audience. The next is to know your platforms. My platform, it means the social media handle you want to start building these services on. Is it on YouTube here? Is it on Facebook? Is it on Instagram? Is it on TikTok? Is it on Trend? Is it on Twitter? Just check. Is it on Snapchat? Just check the platform, the best platform. And most cases, I do advise that you should choose 2 or 3 platforms depending on your strength and energy. If you don't have that energy to work with 2 platforms or 3 platforms, you can just start with just 1 platform. You can choose YouTube. That is on YouTube, you want to be sharing your knowledge, or it's on YouTube, you want to be selling your product, sharing, because you must first share knowledge, create awareness first before you sell. You cannot just come to the online space and tell us you said this. No one will buy from you. You must first share your knowledge. Let them get to know your values, that yes, this person is intelligent, this person is smart, this person is good. They will get to know you before you sell to them. Okay, after choosing the platform you want, I need to be fast now. I don't want this to be too long. Okay, I need to be fast, so just bear with me. So after choosing the platform that need your services, you need to start creating your content. And in creating your content, you have to have a content pillar. For example, if your services is that you sell rice, you must know the content that go along that rice selling. The content, you can decide that the content you want to be sharing is your personal stories on how you decide that you want to be selling rice. Every day share that story. Just be telling stories around how you start, around everything. Stories, people love stories this time around. Just start sharing stories. And some cases, after sharing stories, sometimes you just share that this is how the packages of rice you have now, this is your store, this is, just show us who you are, because people love authentic people in the online space. They don't like fake person that show us she's this, she's that, or is this, is that. Whereas it's not this, it's not that. You need to just be yourself. Show us your real self. Be authentic with who you are. If it's rice, fine, tell us the benefits of your rice. Tell us your own personal stories. Tell us how you came about selling rice. Tell us how rice can help. Yes, you must create awareness around yourself, around your values, that you are brilliant, you are intelligent, you are full of knowledge. Before you begin to sell your offers, you will not just come to the online space and tell us that this is what you do. Come and buy, sell rice, come and buy rice. No, no one will sell. You won't sell and no one will buy. Tell us about who you are before you sell, because we want to know you better. Who are you before we buy from you? Okay, so if yours is knowledge, about you want to build a brand around your knowledge, you are a specialist, health specialist, or you are a wealth creation person, you know about how to create wealth, you know about investments, begin to share knowledge about investments, about how to create wealth, about how to make money. Begin to just share your knowledge, educate us, create awareness about these services first before you sell. For like 6 months, you can do it. Create awareness before you sell. Do not just go to the online space and tell us you said this. No one will buy. Okay, after you must have create awareness by creating content. In one of my videos, I teaches how to start creating content. Check out that video and watch. Okay, so you can learn how to create 15, 20 content, 10 content in a day if you want fast results for your brand. Okay, you start creating content every blessed day around that services you offer. Looking at your content pillars, there is what we call content pillars. Content pillars has to do with the ideas that match that niche you have. Like if you are going for money making niche, you have content pillars. That money making has to do with investing, money making has to do with personal branding, money making has to do with eradication of poverty. You must like content around all this. You must like content around mindset, because their mindset need to be renewed before they know that yes, they need to make money. Okay, you create content around all these things. Don't just create content around what you say. Ensure you have a content pillars, that is related topic around that niche, around that topic, that services you have chosen for yourself. You create content for like 6 months, you create content. Then later in the 7th month, after you must have gathered audience, at least you must have gathered audience every blessed day. If you show up intentionally, creating at most 7 or 5 content in a day, before you know it, your content will go viral and you attract audience. Okay, then in the 7th month, you need to ask your audience what they will love you to sell. Okay, especially if you want to monetize your knowledge, what they will want you you to sell, then let your audience give you feedback, because you are just starting. You need to, everything you are doing, let your audience be aware, because your audiences are your money meeting machine. Your audiences are the people that will release their money and buy what you sell. It is not Facebook or YouTube monetizing you. Just YouTube will monetize you when the time come. Facebook will also monetize you, but for a start, you want to start selling, you want your audience to be buying what you sell right now. So you need to start telling them, this is what I sell, what will you want me to sell, what do you want me to create relating to that topic, to that niche. Your audience will say, okay, I want this. Tell them that this time around is free, or price it. You can decide to start with free coaching services, that you are hosting a free coaching services for them, and these free coaching services, it will be held on YouTube here, or it will be held on Facebook group, or it will be held on WhatsApp or Telegram. You let them know and gather enough people that join the groups. Yes, gather enough people that join the group, and you as well educate them. After educating them, you can decide that those that are interested in your paid services, price it $50, $100, as the case may be. Those that are interested in your paid service, this is how you can help them. And your paid service, ensure you give them amazing results. Your free service also, ensure you give them amazing results. It should be result, values. Everything is about values, because this time around you are selling your expertise, your knowledge, what you know. Ensure you give them values. Yes, even after giving them values, some might get results, some might not get results, especially those that do not implement. Never mind, that is all. That is how it takes. That is what it is. Sometimes not everyone that goes to school that came out to become a doctor or a nurse. No, some went and they are successful, some went and they are not successful. Do not allow that hinder you, that these people did not get results, only one person out of 100. No, those that did not get results might be that they did not implement, or they did not follow through. Don't rest. Yes, don't rest. Start seeing pushing out your brand out by creating content and organizing free services. From free services, turn into paid class, that those that want to engage in your paid class, they should pay so amount of fees to join your paid class and give them free results. Continuously do this and do this for as long as possible. Strategize different ways, because the online platform is about strategy. You sit down, you meditate and think about the offers that you should bring, that your audience are interested in buying, that to make money. Okay, so that is how to make money online, to start building your brand from scratch. If you love this, kindly like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye bye.